Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to give the demo on a new concept that is called searching and sorting. So that is the last unit, sixth unit in your syllabus. So we know previously we discussed data structures, various types of data structures. So mainly two types of data structures. The first one is, tell me, the first one is linear data structures, and the second one is non-linear data structures. What are the linear data structures? Arrays, stacks, queues, linked list. These are the linear data structures. What are the non-linear data structures? What are the non-linear data structures? Trees and graphs are the non-linear data structures. Okay, already we discussed in first unit, second unit, third, fourth, fifth units. So total first unit covered arrays. The second unit covered stacks and queues. The third unit covers linked list. In the fourth unit covers trace. And the fifth unit it covers graphs. Covers means learned. We learn graphs. So what are the searching and sorting techniques available in our data structures? So searching and sorting, these two techniques in which data structures? These are also linear data structures. So these are also linear data structures, searching and sortings. Why? We are using arrays to search an element, to sort an array of elements. Clear? So these are also in linear data structures. Searching and sorting techniques are also linear data structures. Clear? So what is searching? What is sorting? Here searching means to search an element in an array or not. For example, in our class, roll number 32 is in our class or not. First of all, I want to search. Roll number 32 is in our class or not. Okay, I want to search from our class. So which one? Roll number 32. How can I search? For example, in the first bench, first person equal to roll number 32. So both are okay. Okay, he is available in the class. Otherwise, move to the next first bench, second person. He is in the class. He is equal to 32% or student. No. Then the control move to the next place. Then third place. So third place can student equal to 32, roll number 32. Yes or no? No. Then control go to the next until search is found. The student is found or search all the elements or all the students in our class. So after completion of the searching, so he is not available. Simply we should say he is not available in our classroom. Okay. Then here, if he is found, then he is available. He sit at particular position. Simply sat at a particular position. Simply tell the position and also he is found in the class. Then simply give the message. He is not available, search is not found. Search is not found means he is not available in our classroom. For example, okay, here searching and sorting. Here searching and sorting to search an element in an array or not. Sorting, what is sorting? Arrange the elements either ascending or descending order. Sorting means to arrange number of elements, n elements, to arrange n elements either ascending or descending order. Either ascending or descending order. That is called sorting. What is searching? To search an element in an array or not. To search an element in a group of elements or not. To search a student in our classroom, he is in our classroom or not. Clear? That is called searching. And sorting means to arrange the elements either ascending order or descending order in an array is called sorting. Clear? So searching and sorting, these are all under, these are also, these are all under linear data structures. Clear? Searching and sorting. So why? These are here also we are using linear data structures, that is called arrays. Clear, all of you? That is called arrays. Then these are the contents in your syllabus. These are the contents in your 6th unit syllabus. Clear? 6th unit syllabus. What are the contents? You're searching. What are the contents in your 6th unit? So then first one in the searching. Okay. In the searching definition. What is searching? To search an element in an array or not. Clear? To search an element in an array means in a group of elements or n elements. So those are, what are the types of searchings? What are the types of searchings? Linear search, binary search, Fibonacci search. Okay, ma. Next one is hashing. Next one is sorting techniques. Definition of sorting. So then bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, iterative and recursive merge sort, shell sort, radix sort, and heap sort. These are all the sorting techniques. The above are the searching techniques. So then here linear search, binary search, Fibonacci search, etc. These are the searching techniques. There are more techniques, but our task is same. Our aim is same. To search an element in an array or not. Clear? So there are more sorting techniques, algorithms available. So these are all used to find, to sort n elements in either ascending or descending order. So the aim is same, the task is same, but there are different algorithms available. For example, there is a fund. There are many ways to reach the fund, but the water is common. There are many ways to reach water. Single pond, okay, PON, pond. Then there are many ways to reach water, but the water is same. Here also the same. There are many techniques, algorithms, many sorting techniques, algorithms available. But finally, we will get either ascending or descending order elements. Clear? To arrange the unsorted elements in a particular order, that is called either ascending or descending order. So then there are more techniques, sorting techniques or sorting technique algorithms. Those are bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, iterative and recursive merge sort, shell sort, radix sort, heap sort. These are all the sorting techniques. We can use any one of these techniques to sort an elements in an array. Okay, ma? In an array, to sort n elements in an array, either descending or ascending order. Okay, bubble sort technique, but algorithms are different. Algorithms are different. Ways are different, but reach the water. Clear? Here, algorithms are different to sort the elements. Clear, all of you? Then the above searching techniques. There are more searching techniques to search an element. Here also algorithms are different, but the concept is same. Concept means our aim is same. What is our aim? To search an element in the an array or not. An array or not. Clear? That is called searching. All of you. So in your 6th unit syllabus, this is the last unit. This is the most important, and easily we will write answers. So they will ask a query. What is searching? Write and explain linear search technique with an example. 7 marks question or 6 marks question. Otherwise, what is searching? Write and explain binary search algorithm. Okay, 6 marks question. Next one. What is searching? Write and explain Fibonacci search algorithm. That is worst case. First 2 searching techniques available. So he will ask linear search algorithm or binary search algorithm. These are very simple to learn, very simple to write, but listen carefully, all of you. So searching, first one is definition of the searching. First technique is linear search, second one is binary search, next one is Fibonacci search. So mostly they will ask linear search or binary search. What is searching? What are the types of searching techniques? Then write and explain linear search algorithm with an example. 6 or 7 marks question. Next, second question. Last question, second bit. What is sorting? Write and explain bubble sort algorithm with an example. What is sorting? Write and explain bubble sort algorithm with an example. Or what is sorting? Write and explain insertion sort algorithm with an example. Or what is sorting? Write and explain selection sort algorithm with an example. What is sorting? Write and explain quick sort algorithm with an example. Or merge sort algorithm with an example. Or iterative and recursive merge sort algorithm with an example. Cell sort algorithm, radix sort, heap sort. Clear. So these are all the sortings, then the above searchings. So here searching and sorting techniques. Clear. Searching and sorting techniques. Here searching means to search an element in an array or not. To search an element in an array or not. The array having a particular so mentioned element or not. Clear. So then the next one sorting is used to arrange the n elements in a particular order. In a particular order means either ascending or descending order. Clear all of you? Searching and sorting. Okay. These are the contents in your syllabus. These are the contents in your syllabus. Next one, what is searching? What is searching? Searching is an operation or a technique that helps finds the place of a given element or value in the list. Searching is an operation or a technique that helps finds the place of a given element or value in the list. Any search is said to be successful or unsuccessful depending upon whether the element that is being searched is found or not. Searched is found or not. Some of the standard searching technique that is being followed in the data structure is listed below. Some of the standard searching technique that is being followed in the data structure is listed below. Linear search or sequential search. Then the second one is binary search. So linear search is also called sequential search. Linear search is also called sequential search. Why it is called linear or sequential search? Why it is called linear or sequential search? So we can search one after another. For example, already explained, I want to search roll number 32 in our class or not, having or not. Okay. So first of all, I want to search from first bench, first person student. Here first bench, first person student equal to roll number 32. No. Then go to the next first bench, second person student. Next one, go to second person, third bench, third person student. Next first bench, second, third, fourth person, fifth person, sixth, seventh, eighth, up to 52 members. Okay. Is he available in the class? Then search is found at a particular location. Otherwise, he is not available in the class. Here, what is the meaning? Here, sequential, linear. Sequential order or linear order means one after another. One after another. To search an element in an array or not, one by one, one after another. First, here zero index value to search. So zero index value equal to search element, or then the second first element equal to search element, no. Then the second element equal to search element, no. Third element equal to search element. If it is yes, the search is found at third location. Clear? So that is called linear search. So if the search is found, no need to search the remaining elements. Simply the control exit from the logic. Simply control exit from the loop. Clear all of you? Then here linear search or sequential search. Linear search is also called sequential search. What is searching? What is searching? Write and explain sequential search. Linear search and sequential search are same. Clear? And the second one is binary search. Second one is binary search. So linear search algorithm. This is also called sequential search algorithm. This is also called sequential search algorithm. Linear search algorithm finds a given element in a list of elements with order of n times complexity, where n is the total number of elements in the list. So what is the linear search time complexity? Order of n. Order of n, online bit. So linear search algorithm finds a given element in a list of elements with order of n time complexity, where n is the total number of elements in the list. Where n is the total number of elements in the list. This search process starts comparing search element with the first element in the list. This search process starts comparing search element with the first element in the list. If both are matched, then result is element found. Otherwise, search element is compared with the next element in the list. Clear? In both are matched, then the result element is found. And the result element is found. Or the result is element found. Otherwise, search element is compared with the next element in the list. If in our classroom, first bench, first person equal to roll number 32, the result is found, the element is found, then no need to search the remaining elements. Otherwise, search element is compared with the next element in the list. So then the control go to the first bench, first person, second person, equal to roll number 32. Both are equal, no need to search, search is found. Otherwise, the control go to the next person. Clear? Here repeat the same until search element is compared with the last element. So search element 32 is compared with the last person. The element is not found. The student is not in the classroom. Simply, so we will say search is not found. He is not available in the class. Clear? Repeat the same until search element is compared with the last element in the list. If that last element also does not match, then the result is element not found in the list. Clear? Element not found in the list. That means the search element is compared with element by element in the list. Element by element in the list, that is called sequential order or linear order. Element by element in the list. Clear all of you? So this is the linear search algorithm. So in linear search is implemented using following steps. First one, read the search element from the user. First of all, we should collect the n elements. Then read the search element from the user. Compare the search element with the first element in the list. If both are matched, then display given element is found and terminate the function. If both are not matched, then compare search element with the next element in the list. If both are not matched, then compare search element with the next element in the list. Repeat step 3 and step 4 until search element is compared with last element in the list. If last element in the list also does not match, then display element is not found and terminate the function. The first step to read search element. And the second step, compare the search element with the first element of the array or list. If both are, the third step, both are matched, then display success message. That is called given element is found and terminate the function. No need to search the remaining elements. If both are not matched, fourth step, if both are not matched, what we have to do? Then compare search element with the next element in the list. Next element, we want to move the position from 0 to 1. Repeat step 3 and step 4 until search element is compared with last element in the list. Last element in the list. If last element in the list is also doesn't match, then display element is not found and terminate the function. And display element is not found and terminate the function. So this is an algorithm to search an element in an array or not. So which algorithm? This is a linear search algorithm to search an element in an array or not. Clear? So this is an example. Consider the example list of elements. The elements are 65, 20, 10, 55, 32, 12, 15, 99. These are the list of elements. So indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the value in the index for 32? What is the value in the index 1? 20. Clear? So this is an example. So consider the following list of elements. Okay. First step, to read a search element. So in this algorithm, what is the first step? To read the search element from the user. Which is the search element? To read a search element, that is called 12. Clear? So that is called 12. In step 1, all of you, search element 12 is compared with the first element 65. What is the first element? That is A of 0 index value. A of 0 equal to 12. A of 0 equal to 12. That is 65 equal to 12. Both are equal, not matched. So if both are not matched, then the control move from the 0 to 1. Clear? Increment the I value. If A of I equal to 12, clear, both are not matching, so move to the next element, that is 1 location 20. In the second step, 12 is compared with the next element 20. A of 1 equal to 12. No, what is the value of A of 1? List of 1, 20. 20 equal to 12? No, both are not matching, so move to the next element. So next element equal to A of list of 2. 2 element equal to 10. So such element 12 is compared with the next element 10. So both are equal, 10 equal to 12. Both are not matching. So move to next element. So next element is here 55. Clear? So such element 12 is compared with the next element 55. Both are equal? No, both are not matching. So move to the next element. So next element 32. Here such element 12 is compared with the next element 32. So both are not matching. So move to the next element. Move to the next element. So that is a list of fifth location element. So such element 12 is compared with the next element 12. So both are matching. Am I right or not? Both are matching. So we stop comparing and display element found at index 5. Okay. So element found at index 5. Both are equal. List of 5 element 12. Our search element is 12. Both are equal. Yes. Stop comparing and display the result message. Search is found at location equal to 5. Clear? Search is found at location equal to 5. Clear all of you? This is an example. This is an example of binary search. I will show the animation, small animation. So in this array, these are all the elements, list of elements. Clear? In this linear search, This is the unsorted array. Unsorted array. These are all the elements. What are the elements? You have 0 location. This is an array. So how many elements are there? 10 elements. Clear? 10 elements are there. So you have 0 value 11, you have 1 value 2, you have 2 value 9, you have 3 value 13, you have 4 value 57, you have 5 value 25, you have 6 value 17, you have 7 value 1, you have 8 value 90, you have 9 value 3. So how many values? 10 values. This is an unsorted array. So we want to read search element from the user. Okay, from simply you to read a search element. So which element you want to search? Our search element equal to 57. Search element equal to 57. So I want to search first element equal to 11 equal to 57. Both are equal? No. The control moves from 0 to increment the I value. Initial value equal to 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Yeah, 5 location 2. 2 value equal to 57. No. Increment the I value 2. 2 f 2 location value 9 equal to 57. No. Increment the I value 3. 13 equal to 57. No. Increment the I value equal to 4. F fourth location value equal to 57. What is F fourth location value? 57. 57 equal to 57. Yes. Search is found at location 4. Clear? Search is found at location is 4. All of you see the visual animation. Compare with 0, 11 equal to 57. No. Next one. Next one, do not found. Yes. Next one, compare F1 equal to 57. What is F1 value? 2. 2 is no, do not found. Then increment the I value. Where I value equal to 3. F3 equal to 57. F3 location value equal to 9. 9 equal to 57. Data not found. F3 is 9. Next compare third location. Equal to 57. Yes. Yes. Data found 57 at fourth location. Clear? Search is successful. Repeat. I repeat the same. I repeat the same. Watch. Sequential sets or linear sets. Sequential sets or linear sets. It can search one after another in the array. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, locations. Sequentially. So you can take either ascending order or unsorted array. You can take sorted array or unsorted array, but it can search one after another. Sequential order. Okay. The input array may be sorted order or unsorted order, but it can search sequentially or linearly. Search is success. At location 4. Yes, data found at location 4. The output is search is success. At location we have 4. Clear all of you? So, okay, all of you. So, that is an example. Okay, all of you. So, this is linear search. So, in the linear search algorithm, so we can search an element in a sequential order. The given array may be sorted array or unsorted array, but it starts with one after another, starting with 0, next element, next element, next element, up to n minus 1 elements. Clear? So this is linear search algorithm. Clear all of you? Today's session ends. Tomorrow we will learn binary search algorithm. Okay, all of you? Tomorrow we will learn binary search algorithm. These two algorithms are most important. Simple to write, easy to write and easy to learn. Okay, all of you. So we can easily write the answer. All of you, bye. Tomorrow we will discuss binary search algorithms.